In this how-to video for Rvinyl, you're going to see how to install a pre-cut piece of window tint to the windshield visor of this car using these tools. The first step is to take Rapid Prep and clean the outside of the window. Be sure to spray and clean above the windshield as well, as sneaky dirt can build up here. Once the outside is clean, now go to the inside and spray with Rapid Prep again and wipe clean. Use a highly absorbent microfiber towel and clean both the right and left sides of the inside and the outside. Now with the cleaning done, now we can move to step 2. Take Rapid Tac. This is a slip solution. Spray over the windshield visor area on the outside of the window, and now place the pre-cut tint. Be sure to have the liner side facing up. At the halfway point, go over to the other side of the car and then relax it evenly to the other side. The key is to make sure that the side of the pre-cut piece just slightly overlaps the black outside edge of the window on both sides. Now, peel the liner and immediately spray the adhesive side with the Rapid Tac. Be sure to spray the entire adhesive side thoroughly, then lay the liner back down on the tint. Once one half is done, repeat the exact same steps on the other side. Remove the liner, spray the adhesive side thoroughly with the Rapid Tac, then place the liner smoothly back on top. Once this is done, step 3 is to spray the liner side with the Rapid Tac and roll the tint back up. Roll the tint evenly so it doesn't wrinkle, and once past the middle point, then instead of going to the other side to continue rolling, simply just pick it up off the windshield, then go to a safe area and continue rolling the pre-cut piece up. The excess Rapid Tac will drip off during this time. Now go on the inside of the car and spray the windshield visor area with Rapid Tac. Now place the window tint on the window, align it on the left side, then carefully roll it out. In this case, there's a rear view mirror in the middle. Carefully work it around this raised object. Then, once it's around, continue spreading it out onto the windshield. The Rapid Tac will hold it in place, then remove the liner. This technique is called the California roll. Align the tint so it goes past the black outline on the window. This will ensure full coverage. And once it's properly aligned, left to right, top to bottom, spray the surface with Rapid Tac one more time. And now take your squeegee from Rvinyl and lock the window tint in place right around the rear view mirror. This is the most critical section. Once the area around the rear view mirror is set, then squeegee evenly side to side with overlapping firm squeegee strokes. Be sure to force all the moisture out along the side, and once one side is done, repeat the exact same steps for the other side. Lock in the window tint around the rear view mirror, then once this is set, squeegee evenly to the side, again being sure to force all the moisture out with overlapping firm squeegee strokes. Now once all the moisture is out, spray with Rapid Tac one more time and wipe all the excess moisture off the window to clean the inside. Then, once the inside is clean, repeat the exact same steps for the outside. As you can see, installing with a pre-cut piece of window tint on the windshield visor can be very easy and straightforward using these techniques from the Rap Institute and these tools and material from Rvinyl.